Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need flour, water, yeast, and salt. Precision is key, so measure everything carefully. A good tip is to check your yeast's activity by dissolving it in a little warm water. If it bubbles, it's ready to go. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get our hands a little messy. Combine your dry ingredients with the wet ones, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Next, turn it out onto a clean surface and begin kneading. This crucial step develops the gluten, giving your bread its structure. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of kneading until the dough feels smooth and elastic, not sticky. After kneading, it's time for the first rise, also known as bulk fermentation. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rest in a warm spot until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently deflate the dough, and if you're making more than one loaf, divide it. Now, carefully shape your dough into your preferred form, whether it's a round boule or a long baguette. We're almost there. After shaping, allow your dough to undergo a second, shorter rise. It should look noticeably puffy and light. While it's rising, preheat your oven to the specified temperature. A hot oven is key for a great crust. Bake your bread until it's beautifully golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. An internal temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit confirms it's perfectly baked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.